Morning, sunshine. Are you planning out your day? What you thinking? What? Look at how big you're getting, baby. Look at how big these pajamas are for you. How small they are for you. Mommy needs to buy you some new pajamas, baby. Oh, there's the window. Yawn. Leia. Leia Rose. What's all these sounds you're making now, baby? You're stretching, girl. You're stretching. Getting so big. Oh, there's the yawn. Morning. Good morning, Miss Leia Rose. Good morning, Miss Leia Rose. Say bye-bye. Have a good day, baby. Be good.